Good morning. Well, it's about 4 weeks tomorrow until I leave for Healesville. So I've been doing a bit of practice with getting all my gear together. So I've laid it all out this morning, so I'm just going to film how I pack it all into my bike panniers and cages. Yeah, it's getting a bit real now. Getting very excited. Anyway, I'll speed this one up, but I'll just show you how everything gets packed. This is the backpack that I'll be wearing every day, carrying 3 litres of water, my 4, 5, whatever amount of days daily snacks, and I have my locator beacon on there and down there. On the March the 7th, I fly to Melbourne, make my way to Healesville and turn my wheels north. No support crew, no shortcuts, just me, my bike and whatever the trail decides to give or take. Mountains, dust, rivers, doubt and joy. Day after day of self-motion through a continent that never pretends to be easy. This journey isn't only about distance, it's about purpose. For over 9 years I've worked as a diversional therapist in aged care, walking alongside people and families living with dementia. I've seen how memory can fade, but dignity, connection and humanity never do. That's why every kilometre I ride is also for Dementia Australia, to support research, care and advocacy for those whose journeys are far harder than mine. When the days get long and the road disappears into heat shimmer, I'll remember why I started. When the nights are cold and quiet, I'll remember the people who can't choose their battles and keep riding. This is an epic journey, yes, but it's also a simple one. Forward motion, honest effort, and belief in something bigger than myself. Just like that. No, so that's the whole setup. It will vary when I've obviously got days when I'm carrying a lot more food. That's about 4 days worth of food in there at the moment. Might have to carry up to 8 or 9 at different occasions. Yeah, works well. Good afternoon. I've just come out for an overnight. I'm at the St Mary's Education Centre, which if you are a member of the National Trail you can get the details of how to stay here. This is on the section from Biggendon to Blackbutt and not too far from Tyro. I had a good day, had a good ride. It's just hot. I'm looking forward to the cooler weather for when I head down to Healesville, which is in just under 4 weeks now. I think everything's organised, get the bike serviced 2 weeks time, and I think I've got everything ready. I've got the parcels ready to send off with some food in to different areas, different stops, a couple of post offices, Dargo Hotel. Yeah. It's getting quite real now. I'm very excited. Trying to just get in as many kilometres on the bike as I can. Really looking forward to it. And I hope you can all come along and join me as I attempt the journey from Healesville to Cooktown. See you on the trip.